One more thing that I really liked from this specific tool is the interactive mode, right? So basically, it takes your information sources, everything all together, and creates a conversation between two people. The conversation is ready. Let's hear it out.
All right, welcome to the deep dive. We are jumping straight into some really interesting
Obviously, it sounds like a podcast type conversation between two
source
people.
material. ROA, negative operating income, negative EBIT.
This is particularly helpful. You might be asking, like, why do you want to convert videos, audio into transcript, and then get a summary, and then again come up with a podcast style conversation? I drive regularly, so when I'm driving, I want something like a podcast style conversation to understand, grasp certain information, types of information. This would be perfect for me if I'm driving and if I want to learn and understand the concepts that I'm trying to learn. So this is perfect.
Does that just flat out mean it's failing?
External shock like the pandemic.
It's really cool. I tried for a couple of source documents. It does exceptionally well. But let me show you another cool feature. There is another thing called interactive mode. You know what it does? It will let you join that podcast and ask questions and make a conversation with those two AI imaginary people. Let me show you how it works.
Exactly. They're not meant to be memorized in isolation.
So we are in between that podcast, and when I'm playing this podcast, it will
think
ask
of it like
me to
learning
join.
a new language.
Oh, go for it.
All right, let me understand what this course is about, and on a scale of 1 to 10, how hard is it to grasp the formulas from this course?
That's a great question. This first module is really about the goals and the language of corporate finance.
Think of it as learning the basics, like the intro we mentioned, where corporate finance is like accounting.
Oh yeah, go on.
All right, so I want it to be easier to understand, easier to remember.
You wanted to be part of the conversation. Absolutely.
We're thrilled. Oh, back to our listener. What's up?
Can you make it a very easily understandable summary, something that can be easily understandable for someone who doesn't have any knowledge about corporate finance?
Absolutely. Let's break it down in a really simple way.
Okay, so what we're talking about today is how we know if a company is doing well.
Think of it like
You get
checking
the
if
point,
you're
right? So you can be part of the conversation, which was completely generated by an AI system, and learn and grasp the concepts easier and quicker.